In this video, I'll be showing you how to add text box in Word document. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to do is open up any project you have on Word, or just open up, a blank Word document. And then all you want to do is, obviously I'm going to have text right here, but if I want to have a separate text box, because maybe I'm formatting in a different way or anything like that, I want to go to the top left where it says insert, and I'm going to see a lot of different options here, but I'm going to see text box as one of them. Go ahead and click on that. And the cool thing is there's going to be a bunch of different text box you can use. So there's a simple text box with just default formatting. And of course, there's going to be a lot of different ones. And the cool thing is if you don't want a text box that it shows right here, what I can also do is press draw text box, and then I can draw one and make it as big as I want, and then type whatever I want into that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.